Hi, my name's Steve from Makita UK and I'm here at UK Planet Tools to show you the new scrubber polisher on the XGT platform. So this is the PS001GZ scrubber polisher from Makita. Now the main idea of this is it would replace a standard mop and bucket, and it's really for anyone that's got larger areas that they need to clean, where they would need to usually scrub. So this takes away all the fatigue of doing that manually by using the powered head on the scrubber itself. So ideally used for cleaning floors, decks, linos, that type of material, and doing it very quickly. You can also adjust the head so you can get up against skeleton boards as well. So if you are cleaning a large area and you want to go along the side of the wall, you can adjust the head to make it be able to do that. So we'll start off with the head itself. So with the head, it can be fixed in position, or it does have this very easy to use multi-pivotal head. But on the side and on the front, there is two screws we can lock it in. So if you do want to lock it into a position, you can do that. But with it as it is, it just slides in any direction that you wish. On the bottom of the machine, you can see from your scrubbing brush, you have like a protective outer layer, which is always there. And then your mop heads or your cleaning pads are the pads on the inside, which you change. So with that in mind on the outside, it should always keep everything inside the machine and not splashing around too much so that you're not making too much more mess. As we come down to the neck of the machine, there is your adjustment lever in the middle to set your depth. So as it is as standard, it's at 1 meters. And when we undo that clip and extend it, it extends out to 1.4 meters. And that's easy to do with the nice clamp on the side. Then you've got your handle, which you can adjust into the forward and back positions again. So depending on how tall you are or how long your arms are will depend where they sit on the machine. And you can get that handle nice and comfortable for you, so when you're using it, it's not causing you any fatigue. As we go up to the top of the machine, we've got our power indicator at the top, which has our 3 speed settings along with our indicator to show us if we're overloading it or overheating the machine. So if you are pushing down too much on this, you can cause the head to overheat. That will indicate with an orange light to tell you that it is overheating. And if you continue to do that, it will just switch the machine off to save you from burning out the motor and damaging it in any way. We've then got our power button, which is our selector as well. So we push the button down once to turn the machine on. And then if we give it a quick push, it will go through the 1, 2, 3 power stages that's on the machine. And then you do have a reverse button as well to make the machine go in the opposite direction for a few seconds. Now, mainly the reason we have that reverse on there is because there is a way of changing the heads without you having to get down on your knees and touch them. So if they are wringing wet, you can push down a little bit of pressure on the front of the head. And with the reverse button on, turn the trigger, that will reverse the machine and unlock the head and drop it into place so that you can remove it. Then when you want to put the head back on, you just line the head up with the mop head that you've got on the floor, push your machine into the forward motion, a little bit of pressure on the front, turn the trigger, and then that will lock the next head into position so that you can carry on cleaning. And then lastly on this machine, on the back, you've got a nice big waterproof cover that holds your battery. So your 4 amp hour, 40 volt battery can slot in, lock it off, and now it's protected. So if you are using any detergents or cleaning liquids on the floor and they do splash up onto the machine, your battery is completely protected and it won't cause it any damage. And lastly, to add to this, when you're all finished and you want to pack the machine away, so sometimes your head might be covered in detergent, you get a waterproof bag in the box, which the head goes in, zips up. You can also store all your accessories in there as well. So if you've got different heads, you can keep them in the bag, keep the head in the bag, it keeps it protected and stops any liquid from running around your vehicle or wherever you're storing it. So that is the PS001GZ scrubber polisher from Makita.